how to cancel Amazon Prime Video membership. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to cancel your Amazon Prime Video membership. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded and logged into your Prime Video account, and once you're inside here, simply click on your profile section at the bottom, as you can see, and from over here at the top right corner you will see the settings gear option, and simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will arrive in this section where you can see my account option, and once you're inside here, simply click on manage account, and from over here, if you are a premium user, if you have a membership of Amazon Prime Video, you will see option called to edit on Amazon, and from over here to edit your membership, there will be an option called cancel your membership, and once you click on cancel from over here, your membership will be cancelled after a certain period of time. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.